My name is Maxwell. I've been working as a healthcare assistant for the best part of 17 years. I've been asked to talk and reflect about my life as a HCA, a healthcare assistant, during the pandemic and in general. Myself and my partner at the time, we started taking care of a family member who needed round-the-clock care. Through this, I found a calling that I didn't realise I had within me. I became a healthcare assistant, specialising in elderly care. It was and still is a privilege and an honour helping our older generation and sharing their journeys and memories of a full lifetime. My job is very personal, it's very challenging and it's enjoyable. It fills my heart helping people smile and helping them take care of themselves, and it also gives you faith in humanity. The coronavirus crept up on us. We couldn't touch without our gloves, we couldn't hug without PPE. It was spreading on our hands and it was spreading in our hugs, and panic did set in. The news was changing by the hour, by the day, and mixed messages flowing from all over the world. It was like a bad dream that was hard to wake up from, or a movie. But naturally, your training, your instincts, your education and your personal faith for your job as a healthcare worker kicks in. The last person you're thinking about is yourself. It's all hands on board, and whoever is able and dedicated. As a team, we pulled together. We fought against the unknown and we fought in the dark. Our residents were falling quicker than we ever seen around us, passing away. Our fellow colleagues were becoming sick. Our loved ones were becoming sick, their loved ones. And anyone left standing during the first hit, we all stood tall. We remained positive. We held each other up in the moment of the worst challenging times I've ever faced in this line of duty in any way. We had songs and claps for the frontline workers. I cried at those claps because it was only the beginning. This is my second birthday in lockdown, trying to keep things as normal as possible for your family, baking, doing crafts, board games, puzzles, just to draw the children away from the TV and gaming in these difficult times. I'm constantly educating the children about hand hygiene and social distance. Work was a massive struggle, with a built-in fear for everyone around me. But, like I say, when someone passes you and you're holding on to the past, you have to mentally dust that person off, because you're no good to the next patient if you're carrying feelings from the one before. I questioned me calling, personally. I nearly gave up because it was an emotional roller coaster and a constant it wasn't slowing down. Family members and loved ones outside windows, it was heartbreaking and so hard. But you keep the faith, you stay strong and take one day at a time. Plus taking care of your own personal health, because I was no good to anybody if I was broke. We're in third lockdown now, and after receiving my vaccine, I'm remaining optimistic, staying positive. My colleagues, whom I have the greatest respect for, we all stood together, we stood strong in the horrendous fight against this invisible virus. I question if my vaccine will work with the new strain, but I have confidence and I have faith and dedication to keep going. The world is standing on its toes, but we carry on as normal, but the best we can. I miss not having contact with my loved ones. I miss hugging people. COVID is always going to be a struggle, but knowledge is power, and we remind ourselves always about hand hygiene and personal safety. Be kind and take care of each other. Life is too short, and the coronavirus has proved that to us. There will be light at the end of the tunnel. So what I'll say, thank you for the opportunity for listening to my story. Take care everyone and be safe.